Okay, our goal today is to try to plant some of these seedlings that have grown quite big in the garden today. It's quite sunny, it's in the 70s. I haven't hardened them off, so we'll see if we're going to be successful or not. But let's take a look at what we have. This is corn. Now, not supposed to have planted it inside, but we did it anyway. We'll see if it transplants. These are some tomatoes. These are jalapenos that have been here all winter. And these are little guys. That's cucumbers. And that is my one zucchini plant that came. And we'll see if it works. We're out here. This is our stakes for our tomatoes. Here's where we're going to plant our tomato. This guy, he's a little bit too big probably. I'm going to try to bury him deeply. And maybe that will give him a little bit more life. So we got him in. Probably going to have to add some more dirt or compost around here. And we're going to water him in. Really? We got our tomatoes in, 1, 2, 3, a couple more in the back, over there. We're gonna try to make a trellis for cucumbers using this old crib that we took apart. I figured this is kind of like steps. Maybe the cucumber will be able to go right up, and I don't know. We're gonna try it, see how it goes. We're just gonna make a little teepee with the two sides. And watch. Okay, Benjamin, move back a little bit. We're gonna put one right here. Let's see. Let's jam it in real good. Good. All right, you want to hold this one? Yeah. You hold it like this. Here, come over here. Come on this side. Yeah. Now hold it right there. Okay. And now, whoa. Now this one. I'm going to do something like this. So I got to jam this one. Hold it up.
Whoa.
What happened? You forgot to hold it?
So scary. So scary.
Here, buddy. You just hold it straight like this. Just hold it straight. 2 hands. Okay, now we bring them together. Good. Just like that. Now, we're going to take the wire. Bring it to Tati.
Do the other one.
Yeah, you hold that one.
Or should I do this one?
I'll tell you when. Okay. Let's see. I hold this here. I just wrap it around like that and stick it in. Oops. It's okay if it goes around more than one. I think it might give it more stability. Okay. And another one. It's kind of a homemade little contraption, and now I'm just going to try to plant the cucumbers here, and we'll see what happens. Now these are our cucumber seedlings, and I got some water sprayed on their leaves, which is not ideal, but I may actually have to pot them up first because they might be a little too little to put outside. So I'm going to put them into little red cups and let them grow a little bit more, and maybe next week I will put them in the ground. Okay, now we're going to take our cucumbers and we're going to pot them into these little cups. I've already pre-cut holes in the bottom so that it could drain the water. I've used these a couple times. I also have one of these, a couple of these guys, like whatever works. And I have this kind of gardening soil, which is good. I've been using it inside. And I have a watering pail, and we'll go with it and see how it goes. Okay, first thing, hole in there, like that. Yeah, nice and good. Now, I'll water it in afterwards. We're going to take our friends here. Okay, so we're going to try to take this. Oh, I could use a fork. You know what really works so well? A plastic fork, but I forgot to bring one out. Okay, I'm going to try it without it. Let's use the plastic fork, works the best. Okay, this one came out nice and easy. Now, you can see he's got roots here. Not always the best, and their roots are so bound up like that, but I'm going to just stick them in here. Oop, I'll make a hole. Yeah. Okay, oop, and go in there and kind of put him down. We're going to add some water to it here in a second. Water him in. And now he has a little bit more space to some room to roam. Okay. Okay, so we got all the cucumbers repotted up. Let's take a look at it. See down here. Okay, we got, you know, random little cups, and we're gonna put them in the cold frame, and we'll see if I can just leave them out. Should be nice this whole week, no frost in sight. So we'll kind of monitor them each morning and give a little water, but the cold frame should keep them a little bit sheltered. Okay, we're down here by my cold frame. I have these little tinfoil pans, which I'm going to put these cups in there, and then I put the water, and it kind of like helps the water pool in a little bit and lets it suck up the water when it's ready. So here's how we go. Let's put them in this, and then I'll water them in soon. I may need to leave some space because I may have to do the same thing with a zucchini plant. That's a little bit too small. Here we go. And then we'll just add some water. Okay. And then we'll check on them. We'll put the cover down at night, if I remember, I hope. I don't really know what I'm doing, but we're going to just try. That's what's great about gardening. You take the shovel, and I want you to dig in here in the dirt. It says zucchinis. That's how we know this is a zucchini plant. Okay, put it in here. Good. Good. Now get more. Excellent. Okay, we got to fill it up. Keep going.
That's a lot.
Pretty good. I think that's pretty full.
Yeah.
Okay, we may need a little bit more, but let's just try it for now. Okay, we're gonna make a big hole. You wanna put your finger in there and make a big hole?
This one?
Yep. Good. Pat it down. Good. Okay. Yeah, it's okay if your hands get dirty. Okay.
Well, it's dirty.
Yeah, well, dirt is dirty. And then here's our friend the zucchini. Okay, we're gonna get him out of
Do
here.
I have to put him in there?
Yeah, we're gonna put him in there. Oh, with the
Did
dirt.
he do that last night?
Yeah. This guy's not coming out so nicely. He's like a little bit root balled up. I'm gonna try to squish him back together again. We have to get him deep in there. Deep.
And then you're gonna have to do.
Yeah. Go ahead, squish him in. Good. Okay, girl, don't rip him. Don't rip the. Don't hurt the plants. So that looks pretty good, Binyam. Let's add some more dirt around.
Is he a person?
No, he's a plant. What we like to call him. Interesting. The zucchinis have male and female flowers in the same plant, and you can actually cross-pollinate itself. You could pollinate itself. I guess it's not called cross. It's just.
What can I do with the shovel?
Just leave it. Okay, our next goal is to replant this corn, which I started indoors, and the truth is I'm not sure how it's going to do. It's supposed to stand up straight, but it's been a little battered and beaten. I don't know, maybe I have to stake it. Oh, I might try to stake it. I'll try to stake it and see if it helps it grow. Otherwise, it was a fun experiment. We'll see. So my corns, they're not looking so good. They're a little bit flopped over. Maybe I'll try to stake them, I'm not sure, but I'm just going to try to put the seeds directly in the ground here in at least one of the holes, and we'll see how that goes. No, we're going to rake it, sweetie.
Oh. Can I rake
These are little corns right there.
Can I rake it?
Soon. And look, we're putting our corn in the hole. Okay.
Put one in.
Mulch. This is good soil here.
It's soil.
It's the dirt that it grows in. But,
Is the soil good for them?
yeah. So I found some stakes, some garden stakes. I'll put them in, but I got to find some twine, which I don't remember where I left it.
You could
Just watch where you're going. Watch where you're going.
Oh.
Thank you, my pal.
What should I?
Like that. And then I can maybe try to tie him up and see, maybe using the tomato. The final thing we want to plant today are these jalapeno peppers that have been growing indoors over winter. They've been in these red cups for basically the whole winter. So I have a feeling that the roots are all balled up, and I'm not too confident that it's going to flourish out here, but I really have no choice, no reason keeping them in the house. So I'm going to try to plant them, and we're going to see if they flourish over the summer or not. Trying to put the peppers in, but you see they've been sitting in the cup so long. The roots are all wrapped up inside. I'm not confident they'll do so well in the ground, but you know, whatever, we'll try.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to the video man.
Who's the video man?
You might be on YouTube soon, video man.
Huh?
Say hi to everyone on YouTube. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, hi. Okay. Come on, little pepper plant. Come on, little pepper plant. We'll see how he does. This poor plant. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Right, Benjamin?
Yeah.
We'll see what happens. We'll do the best we can, and we'll learn. We'll learn for next time, right, Benjamin?
Yeah.
We'll break all this over. Now this one's kind of interesting. This one's kind of cool because he actually has a pepper on him. So that's cool. We've gotten a few over the winter, just being off of this. But we'll leave him on here and we'll see if he ripens further. It should be yummy.
What is that? Tell us that.
My bucket has a little leak in it. Oh. I just knocked him off. That's what happens when you're being too fast and clumsy. Just knocked off the pepper. Thanks for watching, and we'll check back with you next week to see how things are doing. And we'll probably just eat this pepper this week. Yum.